Hi there. I got an electric bike. Hello everybody. Today behind me in this not so light, not so heavy box sits a DYU-C2 model folding bike. Yes, it says it's black, but it's also blue, so I don't know what to expect. Let's get this sucker unfolded. By the way, I'm not sponsored. They just sent me this to review. There it is out of the box. It's a nice D2 model foldable bike. Look how compact that thing is. I haven't even started the review yet. I gotta figure out how this thing works. And look how compact it is. If you're a truck driver, just stick this in your semi-truck, and on your days off when you're doing a 34-hour reset, all you gotta do is fold it up, and out there you go, riding around in your bicycle. I wonder what's in this box. I'd say I'm very impressed with their packaging here. Hey, you got some pedals in this box, you got some tools to put your bike together, and you got a charger for the electric assisted paddles of a range of, I think it's 21 miles, got to double check on that. And you got instructions, of course. Assembling this electric bike got me a little thirsty today. Nothing like drinking some LaCroix, not a sponsor. Fully assembled, ready to go. Time to take it for a test drive. All right, after you turn on the battery on your bike, what you want to do is go to this gadget right here. Hold this for 2 seconds. 1001, 1002, and it'll power right up. There you go. Perfect. When it turns on, the gears are set at 0. So, by tapping this, you can select up to 3 gears on your speed when you push on the throttle. This is the throttle right here, by the way. Yes, it does come with lights. Here's what you do to turn on the lights. Tap this, 1001, 1002, 1003. There you have it. That's the lights. What a beauty. Brake lights. Yeah, she's ready for driving at night. Now, within 10 seconds of turning on the screen, you can only, that's when you can only access the settings menu. So 1001, 1002 to turn on the screen. When it turns on, you hit this one, 1001, 1002, 1003, and there are your different settings that you can view. Cool fact, right here is the bars, right there indicating how much percentage you got left in your battery. So let's go ahead and drive it up again, and I want to see how fast this sucker would go. This is supposedly a speedometer. Time to show you how well it does over like grass, like a terrain. We'll see how well this electric bike does. Okay, time to disassemble her and show you how easy it is to stick in a little car like my Mazda. There you have it. Fits right nice and neat in your Mazda. So you can take this anywhere, literally anywhere with you. How nice is that? Well, it's pretty fun to drive this thing around. I mean, you can zigzag, weave, do whatever you want, you know. Up to 15 miles an hour. You can feel the wind going through. I'm pretty sure this bike is good for DoorDash. Very good for DoorDash, actually. I mean, we got to see how it drives at night because it has them nice lights in front and stuff. And I still got good battery yet. Now, after you were done using your bike, you may be wondering, how do I charge it? Well, there's two ways to charge this bike. First off is through this port over here that you connect via the portable charger they gave you. Second method, guys, is to take out the battery, and you do that by taking the key, and there you go. That's how I remove the big battery of this bike. And there you have it. That's just how you charge the battery externally. How do you know it's charging? Well, this ballast right here is gonna light up red. Once it's done, it's gonna turn up green. Here's what also comes in with the kit. You get your very own cable lock bike lock. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 Turn right. This particular package, drive and attempt on the 6 Series.